Sawadee Hello everyone, welcome to this mighty service. This is the review of the customer number 05057. This is the HP NV laptop, and the problem was the hinge was broken, so we fixed it for customer and without changing the case. This service is available at this mighty service. So if your laptop, the hinge was broken because you use it to open and close the laptop every day, this one case the plastic broke. So without changing the case, you can send it to us to fix the broken hinge. Okay, see you on the next video. Bye bye.